Let's open the spirit channel and fill ourselves with light. Breathe in very deep from above, golden white light into your heart, and let it expand. Holding your breath at the top of your inhale through the nose, and then letting it go through your mouth. Deeper and deeper breaths as you expand your chest, filling it with divine light. Allow your heart to overflow into every cell of your body. Rippling this light through all of your systems, all of your energy centers, and filling your aura. Now open your heart and let it overflow some more. Just let it ripple out through your pores, through your aura, and feel your whole being expanding in light. And now let's bring some attention to your shoulder blades, the root of your wings, and allow your wings to open and spread, lifting you up so gently and gracefully as you feel more and more comfortable with your wings. Through the spirit channel, we will fly now to Gaza. Just imagine yourself there, just hovering over this whole area. Even the surrounding countries, all of us together like archangels. Expanded in the love of God through the spirit channel. As we breathe, we exhale this love, this divine love over the entire country where Gaza is. And let it gracefully float down through everyone involved in this drama. Creating a field of love so tangible. It just melts over everything and everyone, right through them into the earth. And now the earth is absorbing this divine love. And as they walk on the earth, they will absorb it through their bodies, their minds, and it will touch their souls. Their innocence and the peace that is their true self is being touched so deeply. We are one love in the mind of God. Sharing hearts, merging minds, feeling the love that we are as one. Everything else is not real. Only love is real. A blanket of peace. A cosmic blanket of peace descending, being absorbed over Gaza. Breathe love into the blanket and let it warm every soul. The deed is done. Let's bring ourselves back now into our body and feel the resonance of this love that we all are. Take a few deep breaths and find yourself in your own space now, radiating communion, love.